Beautiful.
Not a
Beautiful day
lot of
today, wasn't
complaints
it?
in the weather
Yeah,
department.
it was nice.
Yeah.
A little bit cloudy this morning, but cleared out quite nicely. A cold front moved through. A stronger one is on the way, too, for the weekend. Similar to last year when we had the Inglewood Beach Fest, Waterfest, I should say, Inglewood Beach Waterfest. We had a cold front just after the races ended. Now we may have some interesting weather on Sunday morning, which could cause for some rough seas there. But things are looking pretty good for the weekend. No real significant rainfall anticipated for that big event taking place down in Inglewood. More on that in a little bit. Van Wezel webcam showing generally cloudy skies in the morning, but boy, it turned out nice this afternoon. Sunshine and low humidity. Temperatures quite comfortable right now, and you can see from the Van Wezel webcam just a few clouds off in the distance there, and a nice photo from the celery fields sent in today. Gustavo sending this one in over the eagle right there, and a beautiful shot it was, just kind of hanging out. A beautiful shot of that eagle. And the evening forecast looks like this. Temperatures dropping down into the low 60s by 11 o'clock. It will be kind of cool to start things off tomorrow morning in some areas, down into the mid 50s near the beaches, upper 50s to right around 60 degrees. So not as chilly there, but still quite nice to start the morning off on Wednesday. Winds out of the northeast right now. All the rain is well down to our south, where it will stay. It's not coming back anytime soon as some real dry air has moved in. High pressure located over the northern Gulf of Mexico will continue to work in from the west, and that should dominate our weather right through the next several days. And then a reinforcing shot of colder air will get here, looks like on Saturday night, Sunday morning. 68 degrees right now. Clear skies, and the dew point really low, 50 degrees, winds out of the north at 5, and the pressure rising ever so slightly at this hour. The high today was a couple degrees shy of the normal, 79. It got to 77 degrees, 88 the record set back in 1993. 1/100th of an inch of rainfall. That's all we could muster up out of that little front that moved on through. And temperatures now down to 50s already in Jacksonville, 59 there, 67 in Orlando. Same in Tallahassee, 68 in Pensacola, 72 now in Miami, and temperature in the Gulf of Mexico, 74 degrees. Temperatures in the low to mid 60s inland right now, into the upper 60s to near 70 degrees right near the coast. Inglewood at 70, Northport 67, Venice 70, and Braden now at 69 degrees. Well, the forecast looks like this through tomorrow. We'll see highs rebound into the upper 70s to right around average. It should be an absolutely outstanding day with plenty of sunshine and that comfortable dry air still in place. And you can see that dry air coming down on the water vapor loop here, showing that dry air all throughout the Gulf of Mexico, really blocking anything that may be tropical development down to our south. And that's what we're watching right now. This area of disturbed weather has a real good chance at 80% of developing into the next tropical system. And right now it's just kind of hanging loose right there. Conditions are very favorable for development in the upper levels of the atmosphere. The water temperatures here are very warm. This looks rather healthy already with some circulation. Right there appears to be the low pressure center. And as we move through time again, the satellite imagery showing the system getting better organized, an 80% chance of developing over the next 5 days. So we'll keep a watch on it. If it were to develop, more than likely just kind of hanging out down here, not doing a whole lot as the next 5 days is concerned. Buffalo 50 degrees right now, Pittsburgh at 52, and Detroit at 53. Seas running 2 to 3 feet to start the morning off with a moderate chop out there, and the water temperature now at 74 degrees. High tide again coming up here fairly soon. The high tide will be 11:56, low tide will be at 8:25. The forecast tonight turning cooler, mostly fair, chilly, 55 degrees. Tomorrow, a cool start, 78 for a high, mostly sunny skies, and north winds at 5 to 10. The extended forecast shapes up like this. Cooler weather. There's that breezy condition on Sunday, 70 for a high, and then much cooler on into Monday and Tuesday. Low temperatures in the 50s there. So the block party looks to be good on Friday, starting at around 5 o'clock in Inglewood. Things looking good there.